Hello guys, in this video tutorial we show you how to create a simple flyer just in few clicks. So let's get started without wasting the time. So first of all, we're going to create a new documents, and I need medi flyer. So size is A4. Okay, now I'm going to search a model for a meditation. So I'm going to Pixabay 920 to 820, which is the size of this image by clicking on Shift and Alt. That is the perfect. Wow, beautiful lady. Now I'm going to select rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the color of just like this SD. I am going to add, so this is, so here is our main in the park. So we are going to decrease the size of 60. Okay, paste here with a black color. Paste, and I want the size should be, yes, 12 and should be regular. Wow. Here is, and we add address. I am adding a line with a rectangle. Want to this should be more bold, so that's it, and address should be more bold. Increase the size of register today. Should be, size should be 60. I'm adding a rectangle. One rounded rectangle with the same color of magic background, and here is our simple flyer. Now I want to add something. Select pen tool and select shape, and we create some thing like this. Change the color to this. Wow. So guys, now one big low. So this is okay or not? Going to select pen tool and then create a shape like this one. Wow, I did it like this. I did it like this. want to change color of this to same. So guys, here is our simple flyer design. So goodbye, take care, inshallah next video में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. Goodbye.